There's conflicting information this evening about whether the human papilloma virus vaccine program for girls in grade 7 has been put on hold.
An official of the Ministry of Health said the program is continuing, but with due care, but the Education and Information Minister said the program was being pulled back. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports.
Outrage in some quarters about the government's decision to vaccinate schoolgirls against HPV. Even the National Parent-Teacher Association of Jamaica called for the program to be halted. This was Education and Information Minister Ruel Reid at a press conference Tuesday afternoon.
To the extent that the stakeholders are saying they want a little more information. I spoke to colleague Minister Tufton. We'll be making a statement in Parliament concurrently as we are having this press briefing, and we'll be pulling back and allow the system to be properly sensitized, including parents, and then we move forward.
And just in case the message wasn't clear,
we're going to pull it back until we've done all the necessary groundwork to make sure everybody's clear what is going to take place. Yeah.
But while speaking in Parliament roughly the same time, the Health Minister made no reference to pulling back or stopping the program. As a matter of fact, after the Information Minister's statement, the Health Ministry was forced to clarify, stating that it is continuing the program but with due care to ensure it works with the Ministry of Education and other stakeholders so there is adequate information. The Health Ministry says that may result in delays from the original schedule, but where it is in place, it will proceed. Now back in Parliament, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton made a case for the HPV vaccine, saying it will help prevent HPV infection, which leads to cervical cancer. Cervical cancer is the second leading cause of cancer-related deaths in Jamaica. Just yesterday, Dr. Tufton said girls from 4 schools took the HPV vaccine.
Of the just over 300 students, young ladies who have been offered the vaccine, approximately 20 or so have brought back opt-out signed forms. So generally speaking, Mr. Speaker, the acceptance rate is about where we anticipated it to be.
Dr. Tufton reiterated that the vaccine is optional.
It's not mandatory, and there is in fact an opt-out form, and I have a copy right here, that has been sent home to each child as part of the education program, but also as part of those parents or guardians making a decision as to whether they want to administer the vaccine.
The new opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Dayton Campbell, supported the vaccination program but urged the government to ramp up its public education drive.
You have a duty to convince these persons that, listen, all of the science that is available to us, this vaccine has been around from 2006, 2007. This is what we have administered, and these are the side effects that we have seen, and based on this side effect profile, we think that it is in your best interest.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.